and welcome to my channel, Green Road. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have to go to KTM service center. Yes, why? I'm riding a Honda Hornet and I'm going to KTM service center. Why? Because I have ordered mirrors for my bike. This damage happened while some kid threw my bike while it was in my house. After that, I don't wanted to go for Honda Hornet mirrors. I wanted to try something different, so I'm trying to get mirrors from Duke 200 to fit on this, and that's the reason I'm going to KTM service center. And also there is another reason for making this video. So I am going to show now clips of some old videos that I've recorded, like before COVID. I had recorded some videos. It was some like daily observations video that I had recorded before COVID happened, and that was on the month of March 2020, before the lockdown started or anything happened in India. So I hope you enjoy the remaining video. It will be only some daily observations, some stupid drivers, riders, like this guy, just horning countlessly. Obviously, there will be some issue. That's the reason the vehicles are not moving. A driver is learning to drive the car, and these guys are just honking on us. So this kind of daily observations I did. So I hope you enjoy the video. And then also I wanted to notify there will be not much of vlogs coming nowadays because of due to COVID I'm not doing any riding. So you might be seeing some delayed vlogs or late vlogs or no vlogs in few coming months. I'm really sorry. I hope you can understand. Until then, enjoy the old videos, the olden days. Those days, wow, there was no thing like COVID or no such thing as lockdown, no such thing as wearing mask as new normal. So I hope you enjoy it. Do like, do share, do subscribe to my channel, do comment, do follow traffic rules, wear seat belts, wear helmet, wear a mask, carry sanitizers, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family, and enjoy the daily observations coming now on your screen.
Triple set. Pathetic. Showing right indicator, but I have no idea will it turn right or not. Indicator किधर है uncle? Where is your fucking indicators? इनके है seriously. This kind of people break their indicators and throw them on their face. Seriously. क्या मिलता है इनको फोन में बात करते करते बाइक चलाने से? क्या पता. What did we get? Risking their life, no helmet, and top of that you are speaking on phone. They are ace technology, but people don't know how to use it, and they buy it and keep it, and they have no idea how to use it. People buy iPhones and Samsung and no idea how to use all full-fledged functions in it. They have no basic idea how to unlock a phone, put a key password on it. Seriously. Indicator दिखाना. What to say about this now? Seriously, चलना है. मैं कहाँ घुस रहा? अंकल तो हेलमेट झुला के चल. Right now, I'm recording another daily observation. Ford car. This car is pathetic. They just smashed that car, seriously. whose car is that? Seriously, this kind of idiots park in the middle of the road. Seriously, if I was coming from there, I would have smashed that mirror. Seriously. Guy is surely texting and riding. I knew it. He was texting and he was driving the car. Indicator. Directly they will turn. अंकल जी को जवानी का जोश आया है, हेलमेट लटका के चल रहे हैं. भाई फोन रखो. That's what the main scenario is. This guy, number plate is broken. आंटी जी अगर चलाने नहीं होता तो एटलीस्ट साइड में चलाओ, कीप लेफ्ट. What are you doing, man? What the f are you doing? I really hate people who don't wear their helmets. No protection. Why should I give them side or should ride safely with them? They don't have proper helmet. They don't know to follow rules. They don't care about their life. I shouldn't care about their life then too. Check this idiot out. भाई इंडिकेटर किधर है? No idea what the cops are doing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people without helmet. Where is the zebra crossing border here? I have no idea. Government, if it is not set correct, if the government is only not doing their work, the police, the workers, the contractors, they are not doing their work correctly. The government should put pressure on them to put at least zebra crossings, repaint the zebra crossings each and every say month, or at least 6 months. After rainy season is very important, so they don't tend to keep intact like this one. So this is somewhat it's visible. This one is not visible. So they should repaint each and every 6 months gap or 4 months gap or at least 2 months gap. This helps the driver at least from 500 meters away. यहाँ पाँच चेक करते बैठा, पान खाएंगा और फिर उधर फेंकेगा. सीरियसली.